So when you launch Unity, and if you wanna edit a script, Visual Studio should pop up. And if you want to type anything such as game object, if you say dot, it normally gives you all the suggestions. But if this is not working for you, you need to fix few things. So you can go to edit, property, preferences, and go to external tools. And here make sure you use the Visual Studio version that you installed. And you can also go to project settings and the player setting. Make sure your API compatible level is set to .NET framework. Then you want to do one more thing. You go to Visual Studio installer. Then you can go to modify and make sure you have distinct and also distinct game development with Unity. Yeah, and for some other options you can see which one I have installed. I just follow the default settings. Also in the individual components, these are the ones that did for me as default, so I just accept it default. But if it's different from you, just follow my setting. Yeah, so don't worry C# part, but .NET this part is better if you can follow my instruction. And then say install and modify, and that should fix your Visual